Hello everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. I hope you guys are ready for today's project. I'll show you how to do back single crochets. So the back single, because I'm doing the front rows in different stitches, and if I turn this onto the inside, you can see that we have all of the knots. We would usually have this in every other row, and now we have all of them on the one side since we are doing the front and back rows a little bit differently today. And the outside has a nice flat pattern. So this is great if you're working with multiple colors and you want a nice and neat pattern, and then you can do all kinds of effects depending on your wishes and plans. You can do it in rounds and you can do it in regular rows, so it's up to you. So first I'll show you how to do this in one color and in regular rows. I'll show you both the front and the back rows, and then in some following videos I'll show you how to do rounds as well this way and how to do multiple colors. But let's start at the beginning first. The front row is out of regular single crochets as you know them. So here you can maybe pay attention to how you do them so that you are aware later when you do them a bit differently. So you go in and you take it from under, and then the second time you again take the thread from under for the 2 loops that you can finish your single with. So just make sure you are aware how you do the regular ones that you already know how to do. Now a chain for the height, and now come the back singles. So from the back we go in and we take the thread from under, and then we pull it through. And then one from the top and pull through. And I'll repeat. I'll again do it slowly so that you can follow. From under the first time and then from the top the second time. And don't forget that you are doing this from the back. You can also use the hook on your needle and twist it so that the thread stays on as you work it in and through. And you keep working them the same way till you get to the end of the row. And the front row has the regular singles as you always do them. I'm at the end now, and here I will do one chain for the height, turn, and I'll start with the regular singles. And you can change each front and back row. I'll show you one more time so that you can see it one more time. If you feel unsure, feel free to stay, but what I've shown you so far is pretty much all there is to it. I just gotta finish this front row really quick. So here we go, chain for the height and turn. And this is the first spot, so we go in from the back, through both loops, take the thread through and pull through, and then from the top and through both loops. And again from the back, then from under and from the top, and that's it. I'll do it again a bit slower. And again. So it's just the directions that you're changing, but the steps are all the same. And you can see the knots, so this side is the back side, and this pattern is also nice depending on what you're planning on doing, but I think most of you will probably like the front side a bit better. So I used Woolly Hugs Charity for today. This was called Charity because every 25 cents from each spool go to a charity cause or a humanitarian cause. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think. If you maybe have wishes for future projects or some questions as well, feel free to ask those too. And you can shoot a thumbs up. You can subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more and stay updated with all the videos. And yeah, thanks for watching Veronika Hug. I'll see you next time. Bye!